All right, y'all, for day 3 of my new July series where I'm only cooking recipes I find that are made by other food content creators. We've got a Louisiana girly today, Britscookin's chicken, bacon, and ranch pasta. Let me show you how she makes it. Okay, she starts by cooking her bacon in the oven on 400 degrees. So I'm just gonna line these up. All right, putting these in the oven. All right, and then she cooks 2 large chicken breasts. Puts a little bit of oil. I've got this Lady May garlic cooking oil that I love, just because it is my absolute favorite. Season our chicken breasts. All right, she uses Cajun seasoning. Going in with this Ragin' Cajun seasoning. Heavily seasoning these. She uses her Britscookin garlic and herb seasoning. I got this at Rouse's. I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add this chicken right to the skillet. All right, while this chicken is cooking, we're gonna boil 1 pound of bow tie noodles. All right, the chicken is cooked and I just diced them up into smaller pieces, and I'm gonna set this to the side, keeping the same skillet. All right, in this same skillet with all the juices from the chicken and the oil, we're gonna add 1 diced up shallot. Know what the difference in an onion and a shallot is? I would love to know. All right, give this a nice mix. Oh my goodness, it's gonna soak up all of that yumminess. Oh yeah. Our bacon is done cooking. It was in there for about 15-20 minutes maybe, and it looks perfect. All right, our shallots are nice and cooked down. Now she goes in with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. This is 1 pint, so I'm just gonna do this entire container. And then she goes in with 1 cup of chicken broth. Should be a cup. Give this a nice stir. All right, and then she adds 1.5 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. Okay, a bit of black pepper. And some more of her garlic and herb seasoning. Pour this in a different pot so that I have plenty of room. I don't think this is deep enough. All right, and then she just says to add the pasta noodles. Ah, yum, oh my goodness. Then we're gonna add back in the chicken. Smell my kitchen right now. Now just add the cooked bacon. I'm just taking my kitchen scissors and gonna cut these up into smaller pieces. All of our cooked bacon. Now I'm gonna give this a nice toss. This smells delectable. Finally, I'm gonna go in with the remainder of this cheese and stir that all up in here. And finally, she tops this with a little bit of parsley. This looks heavenly. This is her chicken bacon ranch pasta. That looks heavenly. Mmm. Holy schmoly. Ah! No. I just got this shirt today. This is truly like one of the best pastas I've ever made or had. The chicken is so flavored. It's so tender. Just listen to this. This is lick your bowl clean good. You gotta make it.